Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalakshi Swami. Welcoming back to my channel, Smart Index Search. Today, I'm going to present you very powerful intraday strategy. Gap up and gap down. Gap fill trading, high probability setups, and consecutive day patterns. So you are going to learn this and utilize this strategy with my Nalini Precision Engine as well as Nalini EMA indicator. It becomes a meaningful, very powerful strategy. What is a gap? A gap occurs when a stock or index opens significantly higher or lower than the previous day's closing price, leaving an empty zone on the chart where no trading has occurred. Here you can see in this slide the gap up. There is an empty space. When there is an empty space, it tends to fill the gap. You notice over here, you can see gap down here, gap down, and gap filling takes place. That is the advantage we can utilize gap up and gap down strategy by noticing gap. Next step, what you need to do once a gap is identified, mark the high and low of the gap candle. Gap candle, I'll show it on the chart. These two levels define your key zone. Suppose if it is gapped up, you have to mark the high and low of the gap candle. Step 2 is gap fill concept. Why gaps fill? Markets are efficient. When price gaps away, it creates an imbalance. So always, any imbalance, whether it is in your life, whether it is in the market or anywhere, it has to balance. That is the natural process actually. Buyers or sellers who miss the move, rush in, pushing the price back to fill the void. Or sometimes big players, they might not have filled the complete orders, they will try to fill the gap. That is another thing. Gap fill rate, historically, over 70% of gaps get filled within few sessions. This statistical edge makes gap fill a high probability intraday strategy. Key rule is we look for the gap to fill on the same day or on consecutive days, not weeks later or months later. Fresh gaps is equal to maximum momentum. Here, gap down and has been gap filled. Gap down buy setup is long trade. Identify gap down. Stocks opens below previous day close. Visible empty zone on chart. Mark the gap candle. Next step is mark the gap candle high and low. You are marking this is the gap candle. You are marking the high and low of the candle. Wait for the draw a horizontal line. You are marking a horizontal line. You have to monitor the price on the next day. Or sometimes on the same day it can fill. Wait for the candle to break above the high, this high. When it breaks above the high, it fills the gap. Enter long buy trade on candle close above gap candle high on the retest of that level. Target is equal to gap fill. Target is the gap close level, the top of the gap zone. It can be here or at the bottom. Next is gap up short setup. Sell trade. Identify the gap up. See here, market has gapped up. Mark the high and low of the gap candle. Draw a horizontal, same thing, I'm repeating. Horizontal line at the low of the gap candle and high of the gap candle. Wait for the breakdown. Sometimes market is funny, it doesn't break down on the same day. Next day or consecutive days, it will start breaking below. Monitor the same or next day, wait for the candle to break below the low. Okay? Enter short, sell, trade on candle close below gap candle low or retest of that level. See, sometimes you can utilize this opportunity for put option buying and even put option buying on the stocks as well as on the indices. Target is same thing, is equal to gap fill. Target is the gap open level, bottom of the gap zone. It may be here, it may be here. Sometimes market confuse, stop in between, and you may feel that it is a incomplete gap fill. It is not so. They will locate other intricate levels and they will find that. With the help of my Nalini EMA indicator as well as Nalini Precision Engine, you can trade with precision. That is the thing. So, trading rules. Rules and risk management is very, very important. You have to put the rules. Gap must be from the previous day or consecutive days only, not old gaps. Wait for the candle close above or below the candle gap level. Target is full gap fill. Stop loss below gap candle low, above gap candle high. Trade during active market hours. Avoid first 5 minutes of open. Get the volume confirmation. Breakout candle must show above average volume. So, risk per trade is 1 to 2% of the candle. Reward is 1:2, or sometimes you will get 1:3 or so. Partial exit. Book 50% at mid gap. Trail the rest. Stop trading after 3% drawdown. Scale based on the gap size and volatility. No revenge trades. These are the rules and risk management. Take the screenshot. So strategy summary, I'm going to do that. Gap down is buying strategy. Gap up is selling strategy. Same thing it has been put in a table format. You can take this screenshot. Okay, so trade the reaction to the gap, not the gap itself. You remember this. Remember the sentence, trade the reaction to the gap, not the gap itself. Patience is equal to profit. Let me take you to the chart, Nifty chart, and show you these are the latest gap is here. And the gap, here is the gap. And you notice this. See, marking high and low of this gap candle, it did not fill immediately. It came down, just pierced through next day trap. And then, see, this type of presentation will also be there. And you can see the gap filled. After this gap filling, see, it crossed the boundary because it had trapped. Now, that was a gap. Again, this was a gap, and you can see gap filled. With my Nalini Precision Engine, Nalini EMA indicator, let me go to the hourly. And I am enabling Nalini EMA indicator. How you can mark on. See, these are the weekly levels. plus levels are weekly levels, plus red to green is weekly cusp. That means price has moved above the weekly high. Then you see gapping above this weekly high and gap has filled. Market gapped up. Then you have marked the high and low of this candle and you can see it did not fill on the same day. Gap did not fill on the same day. It just put leg down, trapped, and it almost filled the day. See, this was the level, right? Above level, it came to this inside level where the low has turned high. And my indicator is dynamic. This high, this one, it is flip. The color flips. So notice here, the price came down to this level. So you can find out in between levels, even if the big money plays with that. Apart from that, let me enable my Nalini Precision Engine. Okay. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame, how you could have taken the trade. Latest example I'm going to show you. See, let me zoom it, how the market traps. See, here you notice the gap and you have marked the level with the help of Nalini EMA indicator. Where is the gap filling area? And this is the gap candle, right? Gap candle. So you are marking the high of this gap candle exactly and marking the low. We have marked this gap candle, high and low. Let me make it as a block. So it did not break here. You can see over here, this is the latest one. Not much trapping is there. Market started breaking below this gap area, the gap candle. And then notice it came down to fill the gap. And it did not completely fill the gap. See the gimmicks. Because all the traders have become very, savvy, they can make out. They have learned all the strategies. So the gimmick says the market went next day going above this one. This is a classical trap behavior of the market. You can see the market knew there was liquidity over here, and then market came down little bit halfway through. They did not reach the target here, swept the liquidity beneath this and swept the liquidity above this. So both liquidity they swept, and finally they tried to fill the gap. This is a gap down. Gap down. What is the gap down strategy? Gap up, short. Gap down, buy. So simultaneously, both the strategies, gap up and gap down, you can notice on the Nifty chart. And here, with my precision engine, you got an entry. Layer 1 had been formed and price balanced morning itself in the two 15-minute candle. Market showed a momentum. It found the house. This was the house level structure, and it found the gate door, and the guests have come in. Market showed the momentum, and again it has gapped up. This is a gap up above all these layers. We have not see. Now again you can see how the gap has been filled. You can see the gap filling. The market went higher. This is the gap candle, high and low, but the structure was intact. I know this structure. My house is intact. When the price came down to this level, uh, you are already ready for your levels where it can react. And with my Nalini Precision Engine, you get an entry and you continue to trade profitably. See, it was a short covering rally towards the end of around 1-2 p.m. and the continuation rally. The market has completely come down this. Suppose, again, if it does gap up, what should be the strategy? Selling strategy. So what you need to do? You have to mark the high and low of the candle, draw a horizontal line, wait for your turn. It may not give you on the same day. Sometimes it may give on the other day, where it can gap up. So let me go to the hourly chart and we will find the levels. See, if it goes above this, there are two levels on the chart. They are weekly lows. So you can mark it as a zone as your gap up levels. Okay, let me pick up this and let me extend right so that, and let me lock it so that it should not go from my charting this one. So let me go to the lower time frame, and I know these levels. One level is 24,578. Let me write down or put a price note for this. 24,578. And another level to note down is 24,686. It can go in between whatever it does. So you have prepared for the. So this is a beautiful strategy because markets will try to fill the gap, that is inefficiency will be filled by, it becomes efficiency. So when there is an inefficiency, you can get an efficiency. So you should know two things about this. Gaps are like liquidity magnets. Why? Inside gaps, traders missed entries. Institutions partially filled orders. Stop losses remain trapped. Pending orders remain inactive. So, how many things are there? Traders have missed entries. If it is a gap up, I have not taken. I am an intraday trader. I'll miss the entry. Institutions, when they gap up, they will have partially their orders might have got executed. So they might have unfilled orders. Stop losses remain trapped. These stop losses remain trapped. Pending orders remain inactive. See, there are pending orders over here by the big institutions. They are inactive. So price often returns to fill the gap, reacts from gap boundary. It fills the gap and reacts from the gap boundary, uses gap edge as support and resistance. This makes gaps very powerful static liquidity zones. I am talking about static liquidity zones. They are not dynamic. When static liquidity meets dynamic liquidity, that is gap level as well as the Gann halo. You see Gann halo here. When it gaps up, this Gann halo will not. This is it lags. It cannot pick up. It is a gap. Sudden momentum. It is like an accident. You can't do anything. So it has to come. So gap level plus my rolling pivots boundaries as well as Gann halo, gap level plus trend line or any channel boundary, reaction becomes reaction probability becomes very high. This is exactly the type of confluence logic my Nalini precision engine can highlight beautifully with the help of my Nalini precision engine and Nalini EMA indicator. You get a very precise levels in advance and you know what to do and no tension, no worry. Everything Nalini precision engine and Nalini EMA indicator will take care of everything. So, friends, this is a very powerful strategy you can utilize with the help of my Nalini EMA and Nalini Precision Engine indicator. If you want to get access to my indicator, you have to WhatsApp me on this number 9845209600. WhatsApp me. It is a paid indicator. Both are paid indicators. You can WhatsApp me. You will get the detail. Many traders have taken this indicator and enjoying its benefits. Why not you? Hurry yourself. This is a very, very, very good indicator. Trust me, many people are profitable from this. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.